All right, we graphed our intercepts. Now we need to draw our line between them. So here's our graph, and let's talk about continuous and discrete. Can I buy partial containers of slime and partial keychains? No, definitely not. So that means let's give ourselves a note saying this is actually discrete. And that goes into the next question. It says list all the possible combinations of prizes you could purchase spending all $10. We are spending the entire $10, nothing more, nothing less. So one combination of items that I can buy is this. If I buy 5 containers of slime and no keychains, I will spend the entire $10. So I have 5 slime and 0 keychains. That is one combination. Can I use the other intercept 3.3? The answer to that is no. I cannot buy a partial container of, nope, not slime. I can't buy a partial keychain, which means I can't use that combination. So could I use just 0 slime and 3 keychains? No, because that would not spend the entire $10. So I can only use the nice points here. Looks like there is one more nice point. So the only other combination I can use with that entire $10 is going to be 2 slime and 2 keychains. Those are the only combinations that will work if I spend all of the money. All right, letter D. What is the greatest number of students that can receive a prize if you spend all $10? Where does this occur on the graph? Well, let's look at our combinations. If I buy 5 slime and 0 keychains, I have bought 5 prizes, so 5 students can win. If I buy 2 slime and 2 keychains, I bought 4 prizes, so 4 students can win. So, what's the greatest number of students that can receive a prize if you spend all $10? That is going to be 5 students. And then where do we find that on our graph? We find it here. And what's that called? That's the x-intercept. And last question, what's the least number of students that can receive a prize if you spend all $10? So the answer here cannot be 0 students because we are going to spend that entire $10. So this means our answer is 4 students because my only other option for spending all the money is 2 slime and 2 keychains. And where do we find that on the graph? Where does it occur? It's just at the point 2, 2. So that is writing equations with standard form. You have a few more questions to answer. Then you'll need to do the 6-4 Day 2 classwork and work on the homework.